Alright, welcome to the second part of the video. Uh, I was just going to show how the application works. So I already have my web browser running. You can see it here with the SAMP control panel. So I'm just gonna go to a web browser. Localhost means like I'm running my web browser in this machine. This is the corresponding folder of the whole application, and this is the folder of the actual demonstration of the application. So I'm just gonna go there, and yeah, this is the home page. I forgot about talking of Bootstrap, which it was one of the I'd say few or several frameworks or software I need to use. Bootstrap is basically just yeah, it's a framework that allows you to have responsive web design. What does it mean? It means like someone tries to access your application from a tablet or a cell phone, the the application is gonna respond in such a way that is gonna fit in the device you are trying to access the application from. Uh, Usually, this one is not really difficult to install. You can use the content delivery network, which basically is gonna be a link to it, or you can download it, which I did. I download my I download Bootstrap, and of course I need to add a link in the head of my HTML file that is gonna include the corresponding files that are gonna allow me to use Bootstrap and make my web page or my application responsive. So yeah, you can see that it's included here. I have here like a HTML code, some CSS code, and of course, like since I included the respective link to the Bootstrap files, I can use Bootstrap. And this, for example, this navigation bar on the top is part of Bootstrap. I'll show you right now. So yeah, this is the application is pretty smooth. It's really easy to use. This is the home page. This one is just gonna redirect you to the home page again. You can try the app like clicking here or going here. It just talks about a little bit about Helpvault, the software development kit I used, and a little bit about what the application does. As I said, like since I'm using Bootstrap, a user is gonna be able to access the application and not have like any user interface problems because of the use of Bootstrap. So that's shown here. And I also have a nice footer here. You can click on here, and if you want to contact me, you just click on it, and it's gonna allow you to do it right away. I also had like a about a web page, just talks a little bit about me, about Dr. Mark Roy. I use this information from her web page. The same here if you want to contact me or contact her. This is also a nice feature of Bootstrap. It's called Model, and it's another way, a more attractive way for the user to contact the web administrator, the corresponding address, the phone, where is the location at. You can just use Google Maps for that. Alright, so the application could be started here or at home. I'm gonna do it from here. Usually when I click on there, it's gonna tell me that I'm not authenticated, but I was recently logged in, so the session is still going on. It's gonna show you the ID, the name of the user, the preferred language, and this is a nice drop-down list that is gonna it's gonna let the user to choose what to check on. Definitely I can still keep working on this. Took me some time to uh, get the grasp of it, but I think from now on it's gonna be way easier to add more functionality and more options to the user. Let me show you a few ones that I have here. For example, you can easily just check all the wake measurements that that a user has. It's gonna be shown dynamically in a table. If you wanna add a particular one, you can do it from here, or you can go directly to the application and do it. That would be interesting to show too. What's the user interface for the user? So you can just sign in. And when you do it for the first time, you are gonna go through the same process. Since I already did this, it's gonna show you that you shouldn't share your personal information here. But as I explained before, like it should be secure enough. As a helpful user, you can use several apps. My one is Hello World, is right here. I can. It shows a nice table here of the measurements. If we compare them, they are also here. All right. That would be for list all my wake measurements. I could also upload files, for example, health screenings. You just need to choose a particular file. I already chose this PDF. It was uploaded before. You just need to click on the bottom and pull it off. Let me see. All right. So okay, let's keep going here. Another option you could do would be determine your body fatness, which is a calculation according to your weight and your height. It's a simple one. It's gonna calculate it and it's gonna show the table showing if you are under which classification you are. If for some reason you wanna show all the things, you can also click on here and see them as a raw XML. This one takes some time because it's gonna go through all the possible measurements. But yeah, here they are. As I said, you can also upload files. I'm still working on adding more here. As I said, I finally got the grasp of it. This would be basically it. Any questions you have or any recommendations, please let me know. Thanks.